Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here on TickMill. And if you want to do this, first of all, we are having here the chart. And if you want to search for a symbol where you want to take profit on, we search right here to search symbol, and then let's do right now Bitcoin, for example. Then we are having right here the Bitcoin chart. And if you want to create a take profit, we select right here on new order. And then you will find right here your order panel. Then right now we fill in right here how much Bitcoin we want to buy. So let's do 1 for now. That is fine. We are using a demo account so we can do what we want. And then we click right here on the plus icon. Then now if we zoom a little bit out, we can put the line to where we want it, or we can fill in right here. Let's say when Bitcoin hit 85K, he will take our profit and he will automatically close our position. So if you click right here on buy market, you see that this is our order number, a buy position, 1 Bitcoin at this price is done. And then if you go to the bottom, you see right here at Bitcoin US dollars with the time, a buy position, the volume at this price, and then right now at TP, take profit, is standing right here 85K. So this is how you can take profit right here in TickMill. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.